In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the collinear constraint in Autodesk Inventor. So what the collinear constraint does is it takes two straight line segments and it makes it so they lie on the same line. So what that means is if we took a ruler and lined it up with one of the lines, the other line should also fall in line with that ruler. So let's take a look here on the left. I have an example. So the collinear constraint is found right up here beside the coincident constraint. So I'm going to left click on it to activate it. Now this line right here, I have a horizontal constraint on it already. So the angle of this line is already fixed. So what we're going to do is this line here that's at a different angle, I'm going to left click on it and then left click on the line that I want it to be collinear with. And you'll notice what happens here. It flips this line to line up with this one. And again, if I laid a ruler along this line, that ruler would extend, and then this line here would fall on the same ruler. And you can see the little symbol that pops up here. That's the geometric constraint button, or symbol, sorry, for the collinear constraint. So that's how we use collinear with just two line segments. Now, what about when we're dealing with a more complex sketch, or actually part of your assignment? When you draw two lines that you want to line up with one another, rather than placing a bunch of zero dimensions on here trying to make it all work out, we can do it nice and neatly with the collinear constraint just by simply left clicking on the two lines that you want to line up with one another. And you can see what it does there. It moves the one line so that it's in line with the other one. And again, if I laid a ruler on top of these, they would all fall in line with one another. So that's how we can use the collinear constraint in Inventor.